Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Hasti Tigita. My student ID numbers 82312072. I'm from University Tadulako, Faculty of Teaching and Education, Mathematics Education Study Programs. Okay, in this video, I will discuss about integers. What is an integer? Integer doesn't mean a collection or set of numbers that are integers, but the follows integers. Integers consist of zero, positive integers, and negative integers. Well, zero integers only consist of zeros, and positive integers starting from numbers 1, 2, 3, and so on, while negative integers start from -1, -2, -3, and so on. The integers contain numbers, namely the first whole number, the number starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. The second, natural number, starting from 1, 2, 3, and so on. The third is an even number or a number that is divisible by 2, such as 2, 4, 6, and so on. The four odd numbers are numbers that are not divisible by 2 or have a remainder such as 1, 3, 5, and so on. The last, or 5, prime numbers are natural numbers that are only divisible by 1 and number itself, for example 2, 3, 5, and so on. Next, counting operation on integers. First, addition and subtraction. This arithmetic operation applicable. First, a plus b equals a plus b. Second, a minus b equals plus negative b. Third, negative a plus negative b equals the negative in brackets a plus b. Fourth, a minus negative b equals a plus b. Example. First, 4 plus 3 equals 7. Second, 6 minus 4 equals 6 plus negative 4 equals 2. Third, negative 3 plus negative 2 equals negative in brackets 3 plus 2 equals negative 5. Fourth, 9 minus negative 5 equals 9 plus 5 equals 14. Then, the second arithmetic operation, namely the arithmetic operation on multiplication and division. This arithmetic operation applies. First, a times b equals b times a. Second, a divided by b equals c. Then, b times c equals a. Provided that a is greater than 0 and 0 is less than b. Example, first, 2 times 3 equals 3 times 2 equals 6. Second, 6 divided by 2 equals 3. Then, 2 times 3 equals 6. Next, the properties of integer count operation, which consists of 3 properties. The first is commutative or exchange properties. These properties only apply to addition and multiplication. In addition, a plus b is the same as b plus a. For example, 4 plus 8 equals 8 plus 4 equals 12. In multiplication, the same applies to A times B equals B times A. Example, 4 times 8 equals 8 times 4 equals with 24. Second, the associative property or grouping. This property also only applies to addition and multiplication. To addition applies A plus in brackets B plus C equals in brackets A plus B add C. Example, 4 plus in brackets 5 plus 6 equals in brackets 4 and 5 plus 6 equals 15. In multiplication also like that, 8 times in brackets B times C equals in brackets A times B times C. Example, 4 times in brackets 5 times 6 in the same as in brackets 4 times 5 times 6 equals 120. Third, the distributive property. This property applies to the operation of multiplication over addition, namely 8 times in brackets B plus C equals in brackets A times B plus in brackets A times C. Example, 2 times in brackets 3 plus 4 is the same as in brackets 2 times 3 in brackets 2 times 4 equals 14. Then this property also applies to multiplication operation against subtraction. Applies A times in brackets B minus C the same as in brackets A times B less in brackets A times C. Example, 5 times in brackets 7 less 6 equals in brackets 5 times 7 less in brackets 5 times 6 equals 5. So many explanation from me. Thank you for those of you who have watched and liked this video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.